It's never too late to make the change. Everybody over here, including me, want to grow our business. We didn't come over here just to hang out and check around. I mean, we're hanging out, that's fine, but what's next? The past 2 years has been hell on earth. Act. You know what I mean? This is a good company, I'm gonna work with it. I have Curtis over here with a company, a great guy. He called me one day, he said, listen, I got a product. I said, let's do it. Because I know the guy is a good guy. I know he's awesome. I've known him for 10 years. I have his track record, worked for a great corporation. Why would he call me and give me bad product? I had a guy yesterday came in and I have 6 stores. My goal is to get to 10 stores. I said, do you want to? Everybody wants to. You ask anybody, you want to be rich? Yeah. Are you willing to do what rich people do? No. I said, you want to open 10 stores? Okay, well, are you willing to do what the 10 stores require to do? No. He doesn't want to. And that's what is it. I said, when you're ready for change, give me a call.